Hello, and welcome back, beautiful people. It's Sam once again. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you like this video. Also, don't forget that there is no joy in possession without sharing, so please feel free to share this video. The month of September is about to end, but before it does, I have an unboxing to make. September is Lottie's birth month, and what better excuse does she have to get something special for her birthday? So let's take a peek on what she got. Here is the parcel, so let's quickly open it up. Gosh, I'm just so excited to see what's in this box. Oh, here it is. It says Gucci. Wow! Apart from the Gucci box, I can see something else in here. It looks like a book. Let's quickly have a look. Lottie did say that her SA from Gucci has a surprise for her birthday. So let's find out what it is. Oh, here's a sheet of Gucci stickers. And this little book here is actually a sketch pad. Thank you, Gucci, for the pleasant surprise. I wonder how you knew that Lottie loves drawing. And I'm pretty sure Lottie would love your gift. Thanks again. Now let's take a look what's inside this box. Ooh, I'm so excited. I hope it's a bag. Oh yes, it's the Padlock mini bag. It came in with a long strap, all these cards, and a dust bag. You can still see the plastic on the hardware, but I'm not gonna peel that off. I'll let Lottie do the honors. So pardon me if it's there all throughout this video. Here is Lottie's receipt. So the bag is retailing for 1,635 Australian dollars. The Padlock mini bag, by the way, comes in two different styles. The other one is a bigger size, but it's also called a Padlock mini bag. The difference is that it has this key fob dangling like a bed charm. And also, that bag is a little bit taller with a pocket in front. That bag was also very nice, but Lottie already has a similar bag in a different brand, so she opted to get a different style. The taller Padlock mini bag is more expensive compared to the one that Lottie got. It was retailing for 2,990 Australian dollars. There is also a Padlock small shoulder bag, which is similar to what Lottie got, but only it doesn't have a top handle, but it is bigger. But the strap is not leather, but a chain. It also came in with a key fob, unlike the mini version. The bag has two different colors, one in ivory with burnt orange, and the other is a combination of black and brown, which is the one that Lottie got because it's more versatile and easy to wear with what's in her wardrobe. I will link Gucci's site so you can check out the bags. Now let's inspect this bag carefully. It is made of a beige and ebony GG Supreme canvas with a black and brown leather details. It looks like the bag is made of a one-piece GG canvas wrapped around the bag. Here is the front, here is the bottom, and here is the back. And if you look at the sides, it looks like the sides are also wrapped around the bag. It came in with this adjustable leather strap with a 55cm drop. It has 5 holes and a buckle to fasten. It has a lock closure in gold-toned hardware. The bag has a top handle in leather trim. It opens up to a single compartment, and it is lined with a viscose and microfiber lining with suede-like finish. There is an interior slip pocket for bank cards. It is stamped with Gucci made in Italy. I'm not quite sure whether my camera has captured that, but I did the best that I could as it is just too tight in here. The interior portion of the flap closure has 2 leather loops on both sides. This is where you thread in your long strap so you can use the bag as a shoulder or crossbody bag. And this is how it looks like. Now let's take some measurements. The length of the bag is 18 centimeters. The height is 10 centimeters and the weight is 5 centimeters. This bag can actually fit a cell phone of any size. This bag is really small and is intended to carry only your basic essentials. Now let's see what can fit in here. I've got a Clinique Happy mini perfume, a hand sanitizer, Lottie's car keys, Lottie's 4-key holder, and her Louis Vuitton Verso wallet. I got everything in, and I still have some space for probably an AirPod, and I didn't have any trouble closing the bag. Lottie just loves bringing her umbrella with her in this Melbourne weather. Although this bag is pretty small and is not intended to carry one, let's just try and see if the umbrella fits with her basic necessities. I'll just have to take out the hand sanitizer and the perfume. OMG, it did fit, and I was able to close the bag with no issues at all. Cool! Now let's call in Lottie to show us how this looks like when worn. Here it is as a shoulder bag, here it is when worn as a crossbody, and here it is as a top handle bag. Isn't it cute? So that's it. I guess this bag is really versatile. You can wear it as an everyday bag when you're going out for quick errands, a run to the shops, or when you're meeting your friends. It's a very good day to evening bag. You can just remove the strap and use it as a top handle bag when you're going for formal events. And for that reason, I think this is a better buy compared to the bigger mini Padlock bag, because that bag looks a little bit more casual rather than formal. And the price difference between the two bags is a bit huge, and I think this is more practical and definitely more worth its price compared to the other one. I'm pretty sure Lottie will have a lot of use on this bag. And for that, I give this bag a thumbs up. So I guess that's it, folks. Thank you for watching. See you next time. And keep safe all the time. Bye!